Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both apps. Open SketchUp, save a clean. SKP and remove unused geometry so the transfer is fast. Once done, install or enable the Lumion LiveSync plugin and verify versions match. This prevents errors during streaming. Make sure your textures are standard formats and tied to components, and set a dedicated export folder so files don't overlap. You'll want to keep file names simple and scene camera angles ready before you trigger the live link. Open Lumion and load a project, ensuring units and scale match SketchUp. Inconsistent scale ruins placement. Then in SketchUp Start LiveSync, you should see the model appear in Lumion in seconds. If something looks off, pause and adjust material mapping or layer visibility back in SketchUp, because textures transfer differently. Once you confirm the geometry syncs, tweak export quality for performance, and use grouping or component merging to reduce object count without losing control. To finish, lock your camera in Lumion and finalize any material edits inside Lumion's material editor so you preserve visual tweaks. Save a copy of the Lumion project and export a final. SKP backup from SketchUp. If textures go missing, relink them in SketchUp's Asset Manager and restart LiveSync so Lumion fetches updated files. And if the connection lags or crashes, reduce export quality, convert heavy models to proxies, or restart both applications. That fixes most sync interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.